Okay, next question is would you say that it's safe to say that the mothers almost always get custody, or is there, how does that tend to work out for mothers versus fathers getting custody of the kids?
California is a very much a joint legal custody state. That means legal custody means board of directors type of decisions, major decisions. So in other words, what are joint custody decisions or joint legal custody decisions? These are, where does the child go to school? Where does the child, what religions does the child practice? Does the child get major medical procedures? Does the child get a passport? Does the child get a driver's license? These are major board of directors decisions as opposed to daily living decisions that would typically be made by the parent the child's living with at the time. So so the point is, I think California is very much a joint legal custody state. I would say 95% of all the cases I see, at least 95% are going to be joint legal custody, meaning that the spouse has both spouses have essentially an equal say in these major decisions for the child. Now, it's also very much a joint physical custody state. And a lot of judges now are very prone to assuming that or presuming that the child should live equally or for equal amount of time with both parents. So that would be a 50-50 type arrangement, maybe week on, week off, or depending on the age of the child, a couple days a week here, a couple days a week there, and then the weekends would alternate. So it's going to be a very much, and a lot of the courts now say, I'm going to presume that the parents should share the children 50-50 unless I am convinced differently. So that's sort of a general guideline. Now, there are a lot of reasons sometimes why one parent would have the children more, but you can't assume that because you're a mom that you're going to get the kids more than half the time, especially nowadays. Now, if there's drug problems or there's some type of substance abuse or some type of physical abuse, that could be problematic. And that may give, if the spouse who has that type of issue may not get their kids as much of the time.